All we need is garlic, onions, 1 red chili, and some rosemary. We take wraps oil because we'll not leave bitter taste when we're frying the. So take the bawang. And let it fry a little bit. Must be hot. Then we will add the Zwiebelbraten. Garlic, cebollas, chili. I'll let that simmer first. Let's start. Cherry tomato. Now I heat up the temperature. When it's cooking, we will add some red wine. Use a not too sour wine, but it must be a strong wine, good wine, not a cheap one. Not also not the expensive one. Now we add the rosemary, and we have to let it cook up for a while, so that all the alcohol of the wine can disappear. After this, for the acid, we add some vinegar, makes the meat a little bit more soft, not too much, and of course some salt. Then we will add some fresh pepper. Don't put the pepper while frying because the pepper burns. It makes a bitter taste. Now we'll add some spice mix from French spice. There is oregano and different kind of. Give a bit better flavor there. Very important. Some piment. Don't have to mince it, just put it in. A little bit dried paprika. Gives a nice flavor, and also the sauce later. You see the sauce have already a nice brown color because of the wine. It's not completely cooked now. It will be very masaya. Give a little bit fruity taste, I will add a quarter of apple. Normally you use that for wild meat, like pears. But you can also add it in this. It will get a nice fruity taste. Don't worry, we will remove everything. Now we turn the stove off maximum and we prepare some water. Now we will add 1 liter of water, not too cold. Put this all already. You let this cook. Sometimes you're turning the broth in other direction. You see, it take the color of the wine already. Very nice. Now time to cook, because that is now time to cook now for